Hi, today we're going to make some cute little characters out of popsicle sticks. There's so many options for this. This one is a little tiger. What do you want to make? Do you want to make a superhero? Do you want to make your family? Do you want to make a different animal? Do you want to make a real character or an imaginary character? Let's have fun with this. There's so many options. Let's jump right in. So, I think for my next character, I'm gonna make a reptile, like a little gecko or lizard or something. So I'm gonna grab some markers and I'm gonna start with decorating. I think I'm gonna do black, some red, some blue, some orange. I think that'll be a good color combination. I think I'm gonna do a diamond pair. And I think I'm gonna do a diamond design. Yeah, let's do a diamond designed. All right, so I'm gonna add some diamonds here. And I'm gonna leave a little room for the head at the top. There we go. Some cute little diamonds. And this will change based on what character you're creating. So if it's a person, this might be where you make the outfit. If this is a tiger, this might be where you do the stripes. Or a zebra, great spot for stripes. You know, if it's so many things, it's gonna change what you do. So make sure you think about what you need for your character or animal. Great, I think that's a good outline. Now I'm gonna pause here and I'm gonna draw some eyes. This would be also a great spot to like glue on some googly eyes for your eyes. Perfect. I think I'm feeling simple. So you know what? I'm going to do 2 dots for a little nose, little nostrils. Awesome. Now I'm going to add some color. And this could be any colors you want. Feel free to be creative. So when I did my little tiger, I did orange and black. But you might do it differently. You might do a bear and maybe you're mostly using brown. Or maybe you're doing a ballerina and you're using a lot of pink. There are so many options. This is not the project to limit yourself. Maybe you even decide you want the characters of a whole story. So you're going to take one of your favorite books and you're going to go based on that. There are so many wonderful options. Wonderful. So I think I'm very happy with my marker design. So now it's time to add things on to make this fancy. So I have some pipe cleaners here and I'm going to use these to make some legs. So I'm going to take this and I'm gonna wrap it around and give it a few twists on the back side to keep this nice and strong. And then I have 2 little legs here. And I'm gonna make 2 more. So again, I take this, I'm gonna twist it around a few times to make it nice and strong. And I'm gonna let them turn out. There we go. Oh no, I made one leg longer than the other. Oh, I guess I'll go back and change this real quick. That won't take too long. That happens. So if you have the same issue, what you want to do is make sure at the beginning that you've grabbed the very ends and you've kind of evened it out so you know I've got the right size leg before you start. There we go. That'll go better this time. Again, even artists make mistakes. You're not a failure because of a little mistake. We all do them. Great, and now my little lizard can walk around. But we need to make a nice little tongue for him, don't we? Can't see it anymore, I guess, but you can kind of see it. There's a little bit of drool on here because Sammy was trying to chew on the pipe cleaners. And than the drooly pipe cleaner got on the paper. I also was trying to chew on the marker cap. So now I'm just gonna, I cut out a little rectangle out of the red. I'm just gonna cut a little triangle out to make that slitted lizardy kind of tongue. I'm gonna check that I like that size. Oh yeah, I like that. That's fun. Then I'm gonna glue this on. And there we go. Now I have a cute little lizard that can walk around and have a grand old time. And if this was something like a ballerina, maybe do this to make your arms sticking out, and you wouldn't do when you could slide it down to be the legs, or you could even skip the legs and stick the legs. There's so many options. Hi, Sammy. You want to see my lizard? Oh, I think Sammy approves. Did we do a good job, buddy? Well, there you have it. We have our beautiful characters, and Sammy approves of them. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope you have fun making your popsicle stick characters. Bye now. Enjoy.